Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, your go-to-go channel for the latest job updates, career opportunities. If you are looking for a data analyst opportunity in a global tech company, then you are in luck because today I have an amazing opportunity for you guys at NTT Data, a leading multinational company known for its technical excellence and innovations. So, in this video, I will be covering everything you need to know from the job details, responsibilities, required skill sets, salary insights, expectations, and most importantly, how to apply. So let's understand and let's dive into the job details. So as you can see, the job role is of a data analyst, position is of data analyst, and location, as they have mentioned, is Bengaluru, Karnataka. So it's going to be a full-time opportunity in hybrid model. So you will get that flexibility to work from home and the office both. So this role is perfect for the candidates who want to work in data, solve business problems, and drive strategic decision making with technology. So ND Data is basically a $30 billion plus global tech service company servicing a global company with 100 top 100 clients, especially for Fortune 500 clients. So if you're looking for stability, growth, and cutting edge projects, then this is the right place for you. And yeah, now let's discuss the key responsibilities for this particular role. So as you can see on the screen, they have mentioned everything that you need to do as a data analyst at entity data. So you will be basically involved into data management, cleaning, like you will be collecting, analyzing, and cleaning data to ensure accuracy, acting as a bridge business problem, and data, I mean, kind of analyzing and transforming the data to find meaningful insights. Plus you will be involved into reporting report generations, like creating reports, dashboards for business decision making, especially into Power BI or Tableau, either of them you would be using out there. Plus, you will be involved into system documentations, like documenting data process, creating user guides, and improve system workflows. You'll also be involved into problem solving and collaborations, like will analyze business requirements and provide data-driven solutions. Plus, you will work with the internal and external teams to define business needs. So these all are going to be your roles and responsibilities once you join Entity Data as data analyst. So now let's directly jump to the required skill sets for this particular role. So they have mentioned over here academic qualifications and required experience. So you must have a strong analytical and problem solving skill, plus experience in SQL, Python, Databricks. Azure Databricks is mandatory here. So and also you must have the expertise in Microsoft Excel and PowerPoint, and understanding of data visualizations tools like Power BI, Tableau, or any other tools if you know, that is well and good. And knowledge of business intelligence and data warehousing concepts is also mandatory. Plus, you must have the familiarity with project management tools like ServiceNow, Siebel, SAP. SAP is preferred but not mandatory, as they have mentioned over here. And this is all, yeah, kind of going to be your required skill sets for this particular role. Educational requirement, they have mentioned only bachelor degree in any business, information technology, computer science, or any related technology is fine. So if you have these skill sets, and then you are already one step closer to getting hired, because the chances of getting shortlisted increases over here. So what are the going to get at entity data if you join the company? Salary and benefits you will get, which is very good competitive salary based on the experience and your expertise, plus growth opportunity in a global tech company, plus hybrid work model, health insurance, employee benefits, learning and development opportunities, and so many other benefits as well. So these all are benefits you will be getting once you join Entity Data as data analyst. So Entity Data also offers a great work culture, diversity, and career growth opportunities. So if you want a company that values growth and invest in your future, then this is it. On how you can apply, just check for the direct link in the descriptions. We have mentioned everything over here, and yeah, that's it. And pro tip I would like to give that try to include Python, SQL, data analytics, reporting, data breaks, all these things in your resume, so that the chances of getting shortlisted increase. And if you want any help in crafting your resume, drop a comment. I will share some tips. And yeah, that's it. If this job sounds like a perfect fit, apply now before the deadline. They have not mentioned the deadline, exact deadline, but try to apply as soon as possible for getting considered. And join our community, like WhatsApp and Telegram community. That link we will be mentioning in descriptions. And yeah, to stay ahead in your career, because we share so many jobs out there. We also share three jobs daily on this particular YouTube channel. So if you have not subscribed to our channel, subscribe to our channel now, and hit that bell icon so that you never miss any opportunity from our end. Also, like and share the and comment below if you have any questions or related to job or the job changes or something. And also, you can subscribe to our other channel, which is Fast Tech, where we are covering in-depth data analytics series, especially made for freshers to up to 2 years of experience. And we'll be covering 20 plus hands-on projects out there. So subscribe to that channel as well. And that's it for this video. Let me know if you have any doubt while applying, and I will see you in the next video.